right? Now, again, for us today, we're just going to go around the room. We'll do Trey, 1, 2. You with me? Then up here, 3. Jackson, you're 3. 4, 5. Riley, 6. Logan, 7. 8. Misha, 9. And then, Evan, can you hear me? I want you to do 10. Brennan, I want you to do 11. Joshua, I want you to do 12. All right? So you just have to wait and be patient. All right? Trey, first of all right? We're just describing a bank withdrawal of 500. What would that be?
Negative 500.
Yeah, negative 500. I'm totally fine with that. That's what I want everybody to tell me. Now, it kind of says they want us to do the what? They want us to do the opposite. So what's the opposite of negative 500?
500.
Yeah, 500. That's why I think it's kind of silly. I think we know that. Yeah. All right? All right, next, number 2. That's right. And then the opposite would be? Right, exactly. Okay, number 3, we're comparing 2 and negative 5. So I would say 2 is what compared to negative 5?
More.
No, Allie, go.
Oh, 2 is greater.
That's right. You would write 2 is greater than negative 5. Then you have to read it from negative 5's point of view. So you would say negative 5 is what?
Less.
That's right. Those are the 2 answers. All right, next, number 4. Mm-hmm.
Negative 4 is greater.
That is correct. Negative 4 is greater than negative 8. And then you would say?
Negative 8 is...
I don't understand 3.
Good? Yes. Now, okay, so what's wrong with number 3? Evan? Do you understand the inequality sign?
Yeah. I just don't get why you do that.
Because that's what the question says. Write 2 inequalities, okay, using these 2 symbols. So you're always writing 2.
Oh. I was wondering why you like switched the 2 numbers. Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Jackson, go. Number 5.
Negative or 1 is greater than negative 1.
And what's the other one?
Negative 1 is less than 1.
Yes, that's perfect. All right, I'm happy. All right, Miss Pancholi, tell me about number 6. Beautiful. Number 7. Yeah, but it's starting with negative 7, though. That is exactly correct. And next? Nope. You got to read the first number.
Negative 6 is less than 0.
That is perfect. Okay, very good. All right, Ethan, you got the annoying problem. You hear me?
Yeah.
You got to write from smallest number to largest number. All right? So tell me, what is the smallest one? Yeah, you got to scan through all of these numbers right here. Yes, that is correct. Negative 80. Now, what's the next smallest? I like it. Good job, buddy. What's next? Yep, you're awesome. Keep going. Yep. Yep. Yay, good job, buddy. Thank you for that. That's annoying. Okay, Evan's up. Do you remember, Evan, what this symbol is right here? Do you remember that?
Uh, I think I do.
All right, that's absolute value. An absolute value is a distance from 0. So the question is, how far are you from 0 if you're at negative 12? And what is that answer? Can you tell me?
Can you please repeat that? It's really hard to hear you.
Yeah, what is the absolute value of negative 12? That's the question. Number 10.
The what value of sub?
I'm going to write it. The absolute value.
I'm not sure.
Okay, the absolute value is always positive. So we say the absolute value of negative 12 is 12. All right? So anytime
Oh.
negative 12, you would say 12. And if I said the absolute value of 12, that would also be 12.
Okay. Thank
Brennan, can you hear me?
Yes, but it's hard to hear you. But I'm pretty sure I'm on number 11.
Yes. Tell me what's the absolute value of negative 14? Yes, 11. So what's this?
It would be negative 11.
Well, actually, the absolute value of negative 14 would be 14. And then the absolute value of
What?
the absolute value of 3 is 3. So the actual
So it
answer,
would be 17?
yes, there you go, 17.
Sorry, it's really hard to hear.
No, don't be sorry. It's my fault. I'm going to try again to work on it. All right? I am working on the internet, on Wi-Fi. All right. Joshua, can you hear me at all?
What did you say?
All right. You're up. Number 12. What's the absolute value of 18?
Absolute value of 18 is 18.
That is correct. What's the absolute value of negative 5?
5.
That's right. So final answer.
13.
Thank you, sir, very much. All righty. Now we're back on to number 13. Trey, you're with me, buddy.
It is 21.
Well, first of all, I want you to tell me what is y,
Oh, y equals negative 6.
okay? So now, what is the absolute value of negative 6?
6.
So what is 15 minus 6?
It's 9.
There you go. That's correct answer for 13. All right, 14, here we go. What's y? Wait a minute, what? Right, what's x? Right, so what's the absolute value of negative 6? And what's 6 plus 7? You're awesome. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Number 15. What's y again?
Y is negative 6. So it's 3 times negative 3 times negative 6.
Nope.
So
You do absolute value.
6.
There you don't be sorry. You're good. You're good.
Negative, it would be 50.
Just 18. That is correct. Because remember, the absolute value of a negative is always a positive. All right, here we go. Let's slide down the page. All right. Now, I just feel like these are relatively easy. Okay, I feel like these are relatively easy. Now, what I want to do is, Maya, I want you to help me. I want everybody to go down to number 49. Everybody's going to 49. Everybody with me? All right, Maya, you get to help me. Absolute value. What is y? What is z? What's x? Okay. Now, you get to tell me what's 4 times 4 times 2. How much? Wait a minute. There you go. Don't worry about it. 32. And what's the absolute value of 32? That is correct. All right. Now, what's the absolute value of negative 3? And what's 3 times 3? There you go. Now, what's 32 minus 9? 23. All right. Now, I always try to teach kids subtracting 9. I want you to try to remember is the same as subtracting 10 and adding 1. That should help you with your mental math. Subtracting 9 is always subtracting 10 and adding 1. All right. If you wanted to, you could say subtracting 8 is the same as subtracting 10 and adding 2. Is everybody with me on this? All right. So now what I want everybody to look at is, I think 73 through 81 is kind of review. All right. Now here's what I need everybody to listen to. I posted all of the worked out solutions. Now, why do I do that? So when you're done, you can do what to your work? Check and make sure that you're correct. Exactly right. All right, now if you're looking at question number 73 and say, I have no idea what 73 is, can you look at the answers and see what it is? Yes, that's what you're supposed to be doing. All right, so what I want everybody to do right now is go back into Google Classroom, and I want you to look up the solutions. Now, does everybody open it up? And now, guess what? You can check your work. Now, is it necessary to check the work I gave you? No, because we know I'm always. Yes, you guys are learning quick. I like that. I am always correct. Even when I'm wrong, guess what? I'm right. That is correct. So now, let me talk to you guys. You got to hear me. Listen, listen, listen. This is the important part. Right? I trust you guys. All right? You're never allowed to just say, I didn't do my homework, so I just got to copy down the answers. Everybody understand that, right? I'd rather give you a 0. Honesty is the most important thing. All right? So there are going to be some times when things happen that you don't get your work done. All you got to do is come tell me and say, hey, I had a bad night. I couldn't get to it. All right? Or something happened and you come tell me. All right? I'll be happy to talk to you about that. So the worst thing you can do is cheat. All right? I don't ever want to look at someone and say that kid's a cheater. All right? And that's hard. Once you've been caught a couple times, you get a reputation of cheating. All right? You don't want that. All right? You want to be honest and be honest with me because all I want to do is help you. Okay? So if you don't understand something, you can ask me and I'll be happy to help you. But I've given you all the tools to help yourself first. Does everybody agree? So when you get to a problem and you're not sure if you're right, then you go to the answers. And I used to get irritated because I knew what the answer was, but I didn't know how to do it. Now I've given you all the worked out solutions. So it'll take you step by step by step on how to get the right answer. Is everybody with me on that? All right. So now in math class, I like to give you opportunities to kind of work together. All right. Even though it's kind of socially distant. All right. You're allowed to talk to each other. All right. I'm going to close down and you guys can kind of work together. Okay. All right. Get to work. All right. Hopefully you guys heard that a little bit. Brendan, I'm sorry about things. But I have the video that will be posted. All right. And again, I will try to figure out what's going on with the Wi-Fi. All right. And see if there's something we can do better. But if you missed it, you can listen to the video. All right. And the video will be clear. So you guys have a great rest of the day, okay? All my homeschool guys. Yes.
Wait, can you say that again?
Yeah, you're finishing this whole thing up. That is correct. That's your homework right there. Yes, due tomorrow. All right, checked. And when you're done, you can just turn it in, all right, on Classroom. Did you hear that, Evan?
So where exactly do you post the video?
It's going to be on YouTube. where, and all you have
Oh,
to,
what's the channel?
yeah, all you have to do is look this. This is my name. And you just type that in and it'll come up, okay? And I'm going to right now,
Okay, thank you.
I'm going to post right now. I'm posting it now. Okay?
Okay,
All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'm still working on fixing the Wi-Fi.
goodbye. Have a great day.
You have a great rest of the day too.